this, but that's okay. That's a Pubo. Now we're going to open this, and we're going to put this out my nutrition mode. And now we can add both done, and we're going to eat the pink ones. I can open it. Kapila.
Other side, yeah.
Pull.
Okay. Careful.
Ay, there we go. Oh, let's find some pink. I want the pink. Where's the pink? Where is it? Oh my god. I love the color brown. Wait. We have a pink. Yummy? We have a pink.
How is it?
It's good. Chocolate. Let's see what's inside. Dig it?
Okay, what color is that?
Okay, that. Ooh!
Is it yummy?
It's white.
White.
Mine is brown. Yeah, it's white. Look. Let's find the pink. Let's find the pink down here. Where is the pink? Dig. Oh, you got a lot. Wow, this is mine. Wait,
No.
what?
No.
What? Oh shit! There's only one. Wait. What?
Only one. Don't ubos, ate.
Ah! Let's see the pink.
How about you share to other kids?
Okay, let's go. Wait. We forgot to wash your hands. No, we just wash our hands. Wait, I don't wash my hands.